Hi everyone, this is RickyBoy, your AmBoy now. I've been asked by my friend about what is happening right now in this world, like this pandemic are really causing a lot of been mad about this, but what can we do? Just a realization of what is happening right now is all about take good care about the thing we have right now. It's not all about money. It's not all about it's about family, quality time with them. Spend quality time with them. The world right now is can't predict what will happen next. So we need to I just want to tell everyone just to keep on praying, and it's kind of hard for us, like the economy and the government is really sick about this one. We need to cooperate, and we need to have unity, and just, I think that the big reason of this pandemic is all about giving us realization about what's happening in this world, and people forgot about what's the purpose of living in this world, and they're so greedy about power, money, and everything, and they forgot that life is too short and nothing's permanent in this world. We need material things will gone, definitely. So we need to my English was I've been here in America for a longer period of time, and I really want to go back to the Philippines right now. I miss a lot of my Filipino friends, my fellows. It's been a while, so I'm praying that after all of these things, I can go back to the Philippines I love. I want to see all my friends, my family there. Hey everyone, this is RickyBoy, and I really find it hard to do a lot of things right now, because as what me saying, it's kind of hard for us to really do a lot of things because this pandemic. Yeah, I just wanted to say thank you to all my supporters, and for always subscribing subscribing in my YouTube. I couldn't find a word to say. Thank you so much. I'm hearing I was trying it in here, and I couldn't find it. It's so hard. It's so hard. So I just want to say thank you to everyone supporting. Just continue to follow guidelines, and proper hand washing, and social distancing, and all. Just do it. Just do it, because COVID causes a pain. Oh my God, this is insane. This is really what we call a lot of a strange thing happening in our life right now. I can't even walk along a highway, and can't even go. This is really terrible. Like, I hate it. I hate this. This is really oh my God. I really want to go home, but I was trying in here, and a lot of people are screaming, because it's too bad that we have this kind of pandemic in the country right now here in the Philippines. I just wanted to go back to New York. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I just wanted to think about my future, not here in the Philippines, because the pandemic is really causing me a lot of pain and trouble, and I'm mad. I'm so mad right now. I'm so mad right now. I can't handle it. Yeah, I just want to say to all my friends and my family and relatives out there in the Philippines to please take good care of yourself. You need to be have a good immune system, and nowadays we really need to have good health, because here in the US, I really wanted to go home. I'm sick and so tired about. I just want to say thank you to all my friends there, and to my family to please extra follow the guidelines and the social distancing, and proper hand washing is very important, and we need to follow what is what the government wants us to do, and just continue to be happy, because no matter what happened, the happiness is choice. Thank you so much for watching. I miss you all.